Hello, my name is Bob Akbar, and in these lessons you will learn themes, objects, and graphics. They will conclude of data in column charts, inserting objects and themes, and graphs. Let's get started. As we will notice, we have a couple of data tables here. We have totals, median, maximum, minimum, as well as our data chart. And we want to display the results. However, we want to give something a little more visually pleasing and easier to understand for our presentation here. So we're going to highlight the table that we want. We're going to go to Insert. You will notice there's a bunch of recommended charts to pick from, as well as manual charts. We are looking at the column or bar charts, which are the most easy to interpret. Some of the other options you have are two-dimensional and three-dimensional lines, stack lines, sunbursts, and we are going to do our bar chart first. A two-dimensional chart is the typical. Now, if you notice, as we do this, it does give us a preview of what the chart is going to look like underneath. My preference is the simple chart of a clustered columns chart. And here we are. Excel is kind enough to give us the sales, the person, and the dollar amounts. Now there are a few options that we can add to this, and I recommend that we take the time to explore and see which one of these is proper for you. So we can add on the plus, and we can add the axes, where we can put titles. So let's do that one first. And all you have to do is just click inside the box and you can edit what the title is. So we're going to do salesperson and amount. And there we are. Now we have the amounts in there. What if we wanted to change the title of the whole chart? Same thing. And there we are. Sales total for each salesperson. Once the chart is done, you see the four-way arrow. Just like any other Microsoft Office product, you can click on it, hold your mouse button, and move your chart around. You will notice on the right-hand side, there is something that popped in that gives us fills and borders. And you can play with these, especially if you're using different mediums for displaying this, whether it's a laptop screen or a projector. You will have different ways that this will appear on the screen. And this is a good place when you're practicing it prior to the demonstration. You actually get this up on the screen and you change your dash types, your compound types, your colors, and so forth. So you can see exactly what things look like. And you can see there's all different kinds of fill. Once again, it is highly recommended that you do this prior to the presentation, depending on if you're showing it on a laptop screen or on a projector and in different rooms, because these are the settings that will make the difference for brightness and transparency and so forth. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next lesson where I will show you how to insert objects and themes.